Hello everyone. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the old LCD TV into a new 55-inch TV. Before working on removing this old LCD TV, disconnect the power cord. And there's the power cord right here. So pull out this power cord that goes to the LCD TV right here, power cord, and make sure you move all your wires out of the way so you're able to make it more easier to pull out this cord to take out this TV. Just move the wires to the side. Slide off the power cord. Make sure you disconnect TV cord inputs. HDMI, make sure you disconnect those video inputs. Make sure all of those cords are disconnected. And this one, you have to unscrew it by unmounting this TV. Make sure all your HDMIs, all those video input ports removed before taking off this TV. Don't have these things connected before pulling out the TV. You're going to yank it. All of those HDMI cord out of the way before unhooking this TV off the mounting. There's a rope right here that you have to pull. If you pull it down, that's going to allow you to unhook the TV, because this thing locks it so it prevents anybody from not stealing your TV. And then let go of them if you feel this TV is actually tilting up. So that tells you actually released it. Make sure you move all of those speaker wires out of your back of your TV. Make sure you move the cables. Make sure you're working onto a flat surface on a table and remove those two brackets that have 4 screws on them. And these screws do not come when you order the new TV. You're going to have to reuse them and reuse the brackets. So you don't need to replace the bracket. And this bracket is actually large, so you actually have more space to hook the new TV in if it's a large TVs. So you don't need to replace this bracket, but you should try with the new TV. And make sure you have it connected to a header with these bolts drilled in. Do not drill it into drywall. This thing can actually break off the wall, and then this TV will fall down and come crashing onto your floor and then damage it. Now remove your mounting brackets. and set them to the side. Those mounting brackets do not come when you buy a new TV, when you order a new TV. It comes with a power cord, comes with remote controls, and owner's manual. Those ones does not come with these screws. It does not come with a mounting bracket. If you don't have a mounting bracket like this one, then you have to go to the warehouse and order one. But if you buy a new TV, it does not come with these accessories. And this one's the mounting for the TV stand to actually stand from the table. If you're going to use this TV stand, remove those 4 of those Phillips screws with an electric drill. And be very careful with the electric drill. Then use your TV stand and insert it. If you see those holes lined up, then screw those Phillips screws with a screwdriver. Do not use electric drills because you don't want to strip out the screws while drilling them in. Get your screws, put them in there. If you don't want the TV stand, if you decide to mount your TV onto a wall, remove all of those 4 screws that is holding the TV stand. Remove all 4 screws and reattach them into the bracket. Now reattach 4 Phillips screws. Now you just screw in all of those 4 Phillips screws. Now you can put your TV stand bracket into the garage. Do not throw away that TV stand mounting bracket. You're still going to need it in the future if you're going to use that mounting bracket to use that to stand the TV onto a table. Now that we got our new TV, now we're ready to unbox the new TV. These manufacturers have specific instructions on how they want you to unpackage it so you don't damage the TV. You can find those instructions right here. You can see I unpackaged the new TV and lay it flat onto the table, and let's mount in those brackets. Before mounting this new TV, make sure you just clean all of that spider webs or dust on the back of the wall. Before mounting this new TV, get a helper to help you get the TV up. Do not install it yourself. This TV is very heavy. You don't want to drop it, and you don't want to avoid your warranty. Lift the TV up to the locking mounting tabs. If it's fully locked in, then release the tab. Now reconnect your TV input source. Plug in your extender to your Fire Stick. Plug in the new TV into a surge protector outlet receptacle. Move the cords out of the way. Not done yet. You're going to have to do some setup on your TV. You're going to have to look in your owner's manual for setup guides. and then you're good to go.